Learn Croatian. What is, equals.
Što je?
English-Croatian. Welcome. Hey you, welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today we unlock the Croatian question key. What is? That is.
Što je?
Imagine a curious parrot on your shoulder squawking.
Što je?
At every object, it's your study buddy. Ready? Clap clap rhythm.
Što je?
Clap clap. Your goal today. Your mission is simple. Speak confidently and have fun. You've got this. Question.
Što je?
Answer pattern.
To je.
Equals it is. Pro tip. Raise your eyebrows, tilt your head, and open your hands. Instant Croatian curiosity. Mini dialogue. Listen to this tiny classroom scene, then shadow both roles. A. I see a new word and ask.
Što je?
B. Good question.
To je.
Photosynthesis. A. In class, I whisper.
Što je?
Hoping someone answers. B. The teacher smiles.
To je.
The process plants use to make food. Narrator. Before you search online, think.
Što je?
Then ask a human first. Forms and friends. Now meet the close friends of your main phrase. Meaning check. What does mean?
Što znači?
Person check. Who is?
Tko je?
Location check. Where is?
Gdje je?
Point and show. This is.
Ovo je.
Point at distance. What is that?
Što je to?
Answer formula recap.
To je.
Call and response drill. Echo me out loud. Your neighbors will secretly thank you later. Me. What is? You.
Što je?
Me. What is that? You.
Što je to?
Me. Who is? You.
Tko je?
Me. Where is? You.
Gdje je?
Me. What does mean? You.
Što znači?
Me. It is. You.
To je.
Rhyme. If it's unclear and you can't see, ask.
Što je?
It sets knowledge free. Culture tip. Let's keep it real-life Croatian. On a Zagreb tram, you spot an unfamiliar ad and quietly ask.
Što je?
People appreciate politeness. Add a friendly tone and a smile. In a museum like Diocletian's Palace, point to a label and say.
Što je?
The guide will beam with pride as they answer.
To je.
Quick quiz. Answer aloud. I'll reveal the solution after the pause. Q1. How do you say, what is, in Croatian? A.
Što je?
Q2. Complete the answer, it is. A.
To je.
Q3. In a dictionary context, say, what does mean? A.
Što znači?
Q4. Pointing at a distant object, what is that? A.
Što je to?
Challenge. Time to play language detective. Do can do it. Challenge 1. At the blackboard it says, photosynthesis. Raise your hand and say,
Što je?
Challenge 2. You see a statue in Zagreb, ask the guide.
Što je?
Then confirm with
To je.
plus the answer. Challenge 3. Hear a tricky term? Ask.
Što znači?
And then restate with
To je.
wrap up. Nice work today. Thanks for listening, brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Što je?
And its friends every day. For more lessons, games, and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time and keep your curiosity switched on.